Question 3 of the 2022 Math Methods Exam 1. So consider the system of equations, this one here and this one here. Determine the value of k for which the system of equations has an infinite number of solutions. So this means that they equal each other at every point for infinity. So if this is our first graph, then the second one has to equal it, so it has to also fall on this line, and therefore at every value of x they equal each other, and therefore they have an infinite number of solutions. So the first thing we have to do is arrange both of them into y equals mx plus c, and we have to make their gradients, this one here, the same, and then their c value here, the same. So we have kx minus 5y equals 4 plus k. So here I can add 5y to both sides and minus 4 plus k, and that gives us kx minus 4 minus k equals 5y, and then divide by 5 everything. So y equals kx on 5 minus 4 minus k on 5. Therefore our m is k on 5. Then for this one here we do 3x plus k plus 8, y equals -1, and we have to rearrange it into this format. So we can start off by minusing 3x, so k plus 8, y equals -3x minus 1, and then divide by k plus 8. So y equals -3x over k plus 8 minus 1 on k plus 8. So this is our m value here. It equals -3 on k plus 8, and we have to make this value, this value and this value the same. So if we can do it right up here, we've got k on 5 has to equal -3 on k plus 8. Here we can just cross multiply. So we do 5 times -3, which is -15, equals k times k plus 8 in brackets. And here we can form a quadratic equation. So we can get k squared plus 8k, and then add 15 to this side, and I'll switch them around as you can see. So plus 15 equals 0. What times to get 15, add to get 8, that's 3 and 15, so we have k plus 3, k plus 5 equals 0, so k equals -3, -5, so we have to keep these values in mind. So now we have to find the c value. So this one here, the c value of this one, as you can see, is -4 minus k on 5, and this one is -1 on k plus 8. So we'll do it here, so -4 minus k on 5 has to equal -1 on k plus 8. Again, we can cross multiply, so 5 times -1 is -5, equals k plus 8 times -4 minus k. Here we can expand and then form a quadratic equation again. So -5 equals -4k minus k squared minus 32 minus 8k. So negative 5 equals negative 12k minus k squared minus 32. We can times everything by negative 1 to get rid of the negatives. And here we have k squared minus 12k. And then minus 5. So plus 20. Sorry, that's supposed to be a plus 27 equals 0. And then we have to factorize this. So we have k there, 27, so times to get 27, now to get 12, that's 9 and 3, so plus 3 plus 9, therefore k equals negative 3 and negative 9. So as we can see, negative 3, if k equals negative 3, the c values are the same, and if k equals negative 3 here, the gradient is the same, so therefore k has to equal negative 3 for an infinite number of solutions.